Hi everyone, it's Ursula Barzi here with Caribbean & Co. I am currently in St. Lucia and I'm standing at the pavilion level for Jade Mountain Luxury Resort. It's a 5-diamond star luxury hotel, which is absolutely fabulous. And I'm going to be giving you the walkthrough from the entrance all the way to my suite and show you some of the features. So here we go, walking through. So this is the entrance, and immediately to the left, wow, that is the main restaurant dining area for the hotel, which has about 27 sanctuary rooms. So they refer to their hotel rooms as sanctuary rooms because it's a way to escape. The landscape is quite tropical, green, lush, lots of flowers, greenery. And the building, which is quite architecturally striking, is just amazing to see close up. I'm going to be using a lot of cliche words, and I do apologize for that, but it's so beautiful here that it's just taking it all in and trying to come up with, you know, unique words to describe is somewhat problematic. In any event, we are walking to my room, and here we go. We are at the entrance for JE2. Each of the sanctuary has their own walkway, and mine is JE2, and this is designated with the green painting at the bottom of the steps. So let's walk through. It's quite a long walkway, sort of reminds me of an aisle. Here comes the bride, here comes the bride. And really, that's their target audience. Are, you know, couples just getting married, or couples who are celebrating a milestone, you know, anniversary. So quite a lovely setting. Apologies for the noise, they're doing some power washing over there. In any event, we are approaching the door, which is about 15 feet, and it's wooden. Quite lovely. Okay, let's try the door. Wow, see, we have a guest. One of the little birds. Wow, what a view as we just enter. Directly to the to the right are two cupboards or closets, I should say. And then over is the fantastic American king-size bed, 4-poster, and it has a net around, so ensures that you have a comfortable night's sleep. The bed is quite luxurious and comfy, and this is just to give you a close-up. Also, let me step in as you're lying in bed. This is the fantastic view that you get of the UNESCO World Heritage Piton Mountains here in St. Lucia. Okay, backing out from the bed, I should say that it's a very open plan room. This is our star level, so the size is about 1,400 square feet. And we've got the two sun loungers right there, which, again, fantastic views of the mountains. And I should say that directly across also is St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So on a clear day like today, not only do you have a fantastic view of the Caribbean Sea with the Piton Mountains, but you get to see another, you know, Caribbean island off in the distance. And here is the fantastic infinity pool. Each of the sanctuary rooms has their own, and it's about 480 square feet. So quite a pretty decent size pool or infinity pool. And it's heated to about 86 degrees Fahrenheit. So definitely quite warm and quite comfortable during the day to swim, lounge around, and just take in the scenery. Okay, I'm gonna take you up to the restroom, the toilets, the bathroom. And here we have the bathroom lights. We also have the pool lights, as well as the whirlpool button. And so very much open plan. The shower area, very colorful, bright light and green. And here's the shower going in different areas. We've got the double sinks, perfect for couples. And turning to the right, so you see you've got a little side cabinet there, and then sitting on the throne, and that's actually, if I sit down on the toilet, I have a view, once again, of the Piton Mountains and St. Vincent off in the distance. I'm standing up, I can look into the tub, which is whirlpool, and it's quite picturesque to enjoy. Okay, heading back downstairs, open plan. What a fantastic view. It really doesn't get any better than this. No matter where you go in the world, this is just spectacular. I should say there's a feature wall of some green lush ferns, which kind of matches the glass tile in the pool. And as you can see, it changes color. It's quite reflective. Okay. And turning around here, open the fridge. So pretty standard, bottled water, some soft drinks, soda. And then in the black container there, the chef usually gives a treat each day. I've already nibbled on it, so I won't open that for you. But yeah, pretty standard stuff. And then we have coffee pot, water pot, espresso machine. And we have got coffee here, Green Gold from St. Lucia, as well as a range of tea for you to choose from. So quite a luxurious room, visually appealing. The view, it's very open plan. It's very open to the elements, but it's also private. No one can see in, see out. One of the things I should say is that you have these little bags here. So if you want in-dinery food, if you want privacy, if there's one for privacy, if you want housekeeping. Also, when the staff rock up on the room, they always ring the doorbell. And to, announce themselves, and then they'll wait until you come to the door. So quite a spectacular view. Fantastic. Definitely 5-star. It doesn't get any better than this. Jade Mountain Resort in St. Lucia. Room JE2. Star level luxury. Absolutely fantastic. With that, it's a wrap. Once again, it's Ursula Barzi here with Caribbean & Co. showing you around my room at Jade Mountain Luxury Resort.